Welcome to this tutorial on Exp19_Excel_Ch03
We will help you in weekly quizzes, assignments, exams,
_Gym,
thesis
a
writing,
Microsoft
dissertation
Excel
writing,
capstone assignment
MyLab all
available through
courses.
Pearson MyLab IT. In this video, we'll walk through the Chapter 3 Cap_Gym project step by step and demonstrate the Excel skills needed to complete the assessment. You'll learn how to work with worksheet data, apply formulas and functions, format information professionally, and create the required 2D pie chart to analyze current year expenses. We'll carefully follow the assignment instructions and show you how to complete the required tasks in Microsoft Excel. This tutorial is designed to help you understand the project workflow and improve your Excel skills while working with the Pearson MyLab IT assessment. So let's get started with Exp19 Excel. Chapter 3, Cap_Gym, and work through the project step by step. Need help with your Excel, Word, Access, PowerPoint, MyLab IT, SIMnet, SAM assignments, or any other subject? Contact us anytime on WhatsApp at +9 231763800514 or send us an email at gotgrades9@gmail.com. We'd love to assist you.
Spending the night in Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plant. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?
We can handle all online courses: computer science, business math, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied sciences, and many more. We will help you in weekly
Carried
quizzes,
it
assignments, exams, thesis
all.
writing, dissertation writing, MyLab all courses.
Coloring miles as we go, a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple clothes. And I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act. But I think it's understood, nothing good can come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man.
Subscribe my channel, and for more update click bell icon.